According to second part, when the coil Y is lifted up to a distance r, so you have to find out the net magnetic field at the center O dash of the coil Y due to the current flowing in the coil Y and the coil X. So first of all, this is the distance r through which you have taken the Y in the upward direction, and according to the first condition, the current flowing in the Y is equal to I2 is equal to I1 by 2, and that current we have taken, that is the anti-clockwise direction. So this should be the anti-clockwise, because earlier the current in the Y is the anti-clockwise direction. Now when it is lifted up through a distance r, so first of all you find out the magnetic field at this point due to the current flowing in the coil X. So if this is a coil and this is the axis of the coil, so this point O dash lies on the axis of this coil. So here we will apply the formula that the magnetic field at any point on the axis of the current carrying loop. So this formula Bx dash is the value of the magnetic field at this point due to the current flowing in the X. That is mu naught, and the current is I1 you will take. What is the distance? Distance is r, so r square, and this is 2, this is bracket. You have got the expression a square plus x square, where a is the radius and x is the distance between the point and the coil. So r is the radius and r is the distance between the point and the coil. So r square plus r square 3 by 2. Now after solving you will be getting mu naught I1 upon 4 root 2 r. What will be the direction? The direction at this point will be due to the I1. How you will get? You will be getting the direction by the right hand palm rule. You can get, this is the direction of the current and this is the finger. So at this point, what will be the direction of the magnetic field? Vertically downward. See, this is the palm rule. So this is the direction of current here, and the finger I have pointed towards the O dash, and the perpendicular drawn will come out to be downward direction. So that is why the field will be vertically downward. Now magnetic field at the point O dash due to the current flowing in the Y. So this is the center of the Y. So you will find out the direction of the magnetic field at the center of the coil Y. So this is very simple. By dash is equal to mu naught. Current is I1 upon 2. I2 is equal to I1 by 2. And what is the radius? Radius is r by 2. So you will be getting mu naught I1 upon 2r. Now if the current is anti-clockwise, so at this point what will be the direction of the magnetic field? This phase will be north phase and the magnetic field will be in the upward direction. So this is vertically upward. So this field you have got at O dash vertically downward, and this field you have got at the O dash vertically upward. So the net field at O dash will be what? Which is greater? Greater is Y. Y is greater than the Bx. By is greater than the Bx. So net field B is equal to By minus Bx. You will substitute both the values and you will be getting this answer. Since By is acting vertically upward, the net magnetic field also will be direction of the greater magnetic field side. So the direction of the net magnetic field at the point O dash will be vertically upward along the direction of By.